Cooking some pig feet. Pig feet. Yeah, see that? Look good, eh? Looks so good. So good. Delicious. Pig feet. And dumpling. You see dumpling in it? The white rice, yeah? White rice right there. That's the white rice. And some butter bean in that. See that? Jamaican butter bean in that. And some fried chicken, yeah? See that? Yeah. So, yeah. So subscribe to my channel. Yeah, man, that's what I cook today. My kids, some real, see there, soft. It cooking down, you know. Yeah, that's it. Pretty, eh? Look good, eh? Delicious.